Hey everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do tremolos. I've done tremolos in this program before, but somebody recently commented on that video and asked me, well, how do you do it in Finale 2010? And when I was doing 2010, when I was actually using that, um, I don't think I had that much of a difference. Um, you would actually go under plugins and TG tools. So TG tools was the main thing that you do. And then easy tremolos. And you'd say, okay, I want three lines, three tremolos for this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that again. This is just the run through of how you would do that. So let's say I have Alright, so let's say we have these notes. And we are going to try that again. Now Finale may do something weird, so let's just keep on watching out and seeing what it does. So if I select these measures, let's say if I select them all, I go to plugins, and then I go to TG tools, and then easy tremolos. Now it'll say how many beams, how many number of beams do you want in this. I'm going to just say 2. And I'm just going to say put playback there, create the playback nodes. And if it does it, go ahead. Layer for invisible playback is not empty. Okay, fine. This is how it would actually look. Let's say if we didn't put those in. Let's say cancel. Can we undo this? There we go. Let's just do it with 1. So you would just do this, TG tools, tremolo. And I wouldn't say create playback notes, I would just say this. Or if it was this, let's say instead of that it was this. Alright, so let's say we had that. Now if I were to say create playback notes, I think what this easy tremolo thing is doing when you say create the playback notes, it's going, okay, sort of what notes do you want in this section? It'll give you the beams. Cancel. close. So it'll give you this. So you can have quarter note, and then it'll give it half notes. But will it do the same thing if we do the same issue and then go to plugins and do TG Tools, Tremelos? Let's get rid of create playback notes, uncheck it, see what happens. Okay? So really, if this is in, well, I believe this is in 2010's finale as well, I would not create playback notes. I was always confused by that. So if you really want the tremolo quick, your best bet is to not even select choose playback notes, because it's going to give you a whole bunch of gray stuff with different, it's gonna show you how fast they're gonna do it. It's actually gonna show da 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 da. You don't need to see that. All you need to have is this. You don't create the playback notes. You don't override human playback. You just click go. So that's how you do those tremolos. Hopefully that works. Go ahead and try that. And any questions, go ahead and message me, and I'll be glad to help. All right. So take care.